Hey signers, do you remember a few months back when I told you about my husband going full-time with Learn How to Sign? Well, since then, we've been making new videos and newsletters, as well as our summer intensive, which was incredible, and the feedback blew us away. But that's not all we've been up to. We have been thinking about you. We know that there are thousands of you that are wanting to learn ASL, but are just needing guidance and support. We are so incredibly excited to announce Learn How to Sign Accelerated. See what we did there? Get that? Like, I did this, and it's like, a boom, a wow, Learn How to Sign Accelerated. Learn How to Sign Accelerated is a new membership program that gives you so many resources and opportunities to learn ASL faster than ever before. Here are the highlights. You'll have access to on-demand mini courses. These are roughly 2-hour video courses that focus on a specific aspect of ASL. If you're familiar with our Skillshare courses, these will be included within Learn How to Sign Accelerated. On-demand main courses. These are roughly 8-hour video courses that cover a more comprehensive aspect of ASL. ASL 101 is our first course. It is derived from our intensive curriculum, but it's fully produced and is a fresh, self-guided version of it. You can expect ASL 201 and 301 within the next year. Weekly live chats with me. This is a live weekly interactive broadcast where I will answer questions and teach on concepts of ASL that we don't always have time to cover on our YouTube channel. Accelerated Community Forum. You will have exclusive access to the Learn How to Sign Discord server, where you can find the ASL community you have been looking for. There will be weekly silent video chats to practice your signing with others, topical discussion channels to find answers and discuss with people who are on the similar journey as you, and ask questions to fellow signers and Learn How to Sign staff. We believe having a community to sign with is absolutely the best way to learn ASL. Quizzes for all Learn How to Sign YouTube videos. That's right, so many of you have requested ways to practice what you've learned. And now inside of Learn How to Sign Accelerated, we'll be releasing a quiz every week that will go in tandem with that week's YouTube video. Study activities. This includes interactive games and flashcards. We believe that practice and repetition is such an important part of retention. This is a new and fun way to do just that. Fingerspelling exercise videos. We have done a couple of these on our YouTube channel, but now you'll have access to an entire library of fingerspelling exercise videos that will help you refine your fingerspelling skills. Practice signing prompts. Using Flipgrid will give you weekly prompts where you can practice signing via video with others. This is a great way to see other signers and also receive some critical feedback on your own signing ability. You will also receive exclusive discounts, 50% off on future intensive courses, 30% off on all merch. The best part is, this is all available now. Go to learnhowtosign.org to sign up today. We have several pricing tiers, which we hope makes this affordable for everyone. The best value, however, is our lifetime subscription. You pay once and you'll receive access for life. Plus, if you sign up before September 30th, you'll receive 15% off when using the discount code EARLYBIRD15. If you have any questions about Learn How to Sign Accelerated or recommendations for the program, let us know down in the comments below. We are so excited about this new program and hope to see you there. And remember, keep learning how to sign. Accelerated.